This is what happens when you don't think of an intro. You just get nothing. Hey guys, Dimension Gamer 2.0 here, bringing you more Holocure. Last time, we did complete Stage 4 as Okayu, which is good because I was having a losing streak on that stage. And today, we're actually going back to playing as Okayu. Once again, her attack is the Onigiri. Throw an Onigiri in an arc while her special is Mogu Mogu. For 6 seconds, Okayu's invincible. It increases speed by 50%. Non-boss targets touch will be eaten, healing 5% HP. She is on stage 1 hard, the Grassy Plains Knight. Ah, son of a bitch. Okay. Guess what? I forgot! Forgot to set up what the strats are, so I don't know what they are at the moment. That screen's not plugged into my computer, my old computer at the moment. I need to level up, or I could just pause. I will be right back! Alrighty, I am back as that begins to load up. I will get what I know, which isn't much. Okay, I know Uber Sheep isn't because she's got healing stuff. Chicken Feather would be on the list. Body Pillow is most likely on that list. I like how that whole time I was watching a Vanoss video. I could have been, I don't know, getting my old computer, which is deciding to be very slow right now. Because of course it is. Booting up. If I remember right, I think her collab is the Me Corone, because I kind of remember hearing me make a joke in the last video I edited about flaming potato meteors. That's funny. Flaming potato meteors. Throw 6 Onigiri and slows down targets by 30% for 5 seconds. Ooh, yes, idol costume, that should be on the list. Alright, our defense is done. I say as I have no defense left. Let me get my other computer going, and then I'll be back. Alrighty, now that I've got it up, finally, we do want spider cooking. And I was right, it is the Me Corone that we need. Alright, so that means I need X Potato and Lava Bucket. I need to keep my eyes open for those. I can go ahead and take this for now. I got 3 anvils for when we finally get ready to finish off the components for the Macaron. Whoa! A lot of red. Hey, Felix! I swear, these cats, they get into all kinds of trouble. We've got a little bookshelf that we're putting some pop figures on, and he was trying to climb over them. Alright, that's done. Spider cooking now, level 4. Things are coming along. Got our special going again. Thanks to the level 5 idol costume, we got it going pretty quick. That'll be nice. Our onigiri is now going to be a little bigger. Okay, I believe that's it for our skills. Yeah, they're all level 3. Okay. I was gonna use the Mogu Mogu to, like, take more of them down, and then they're like, nope, we're gonna vanish. That was a fast 5 seconds. Maybe it's because time moves so slow as I was trying to boot up my other computer. It's funny, it's like whenever I go to do some video stuff, it's like, alright, I'm going to take my sweet old time, and it's just like, any other time, it loads up just fine. Like, it's not as fast as my current computer, the DT1, but... you know, it's like, it's decent. Unless I want to do something video related, then it's like, I'm gonna take some time. Headphones, that's on our list. See, the last item I'm waiting for is nightly milk. Other than that, I need a lot of my attacks still. Which I've seen them, but, you know, I didn't know I needed them because I didn't bring the thing up. We can take that for now. Okay, that's done at least. I can make spider cooking, but that's not what I'm after. We're hitting the halfway mark. Headphones is done. Try to keep both of them in my line of fire. Alright, there goes Foobzilla. We can take Whammy Water, so we've got another attack going. Alright, and there goes Small Ame. Let's do a few rerolls. No luck. Alright, let's eliminate Ninja Headband. We'll take Whammy Water. Take this Hollow Zen. Gives us Whammy Water level 4. What was that? I don't know, whatever it was, it scared the cat off. Cat troubles. As I try to record myself playing a character that's a cat, I have a bunch of problems with my cat. Read stamp. Okay. Swap and power up. I would like to have all this stuff in Hollow House bought before I download the update, which at this time of recording comes out tomorrow. Max Potato, there we go. Alright, let's power it up. And there we go. Alright, now we can head down to the Golden Anvil, and then bam! Combine them, make the Mii Corone. Got that going. What's this up here? A Hollow Zen. Glow Stick, don't want that. Seven minutes till the boss arrives. Hollow Bomb, we can take that. So now we're just waiting on CEO's Tears and Nightly Milk. Alright, well there's CEO's Tears. I got a cramp in my arm and it hurts a lot. Yow! Let's swap it with that, actually. I'll take the haste for now. Kinda nice how fast the Mogu Mogu can clear out an area. Ooh, okay. I'm already up to about 25. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Yeah, my attack goes back to normal size, but I'm doing more damage. And we're almost done. Boss will be here in like 3¼ minutes. Take whatever we get. I guess we'll take a little more defense. Suck to die now. So one thing that I noticed while I was waiting for my old computer to boot up, is that when you pause, it actually tells you how many lives you have currently from the chicken feathers. So that's kind of cool. Never noticed that before. Alright, less than a minute. Alright. Halloween Bay is here. We have 40,000 coins at the moment. We should end this with probably about 45,000. Ain't bad. Mostly just using this for the invincibility right now, so I can stay close and keep dealing damage, while not taking damage myself. And down she went. Oh, and true Onigiri, which means we completed the fandom with Okayu. So if we go to achievements, we now see we're 81%. We're going to make quite a bit of progress with these, which is quite nice. Yep, True Onigiri. Reached Gachaki fandom level with Okayu. Currently, with the ones we're playing as, you've still got a bit before you hit the last one. You're almost halfway in between the second and third. You're done, and then you've still got a bit. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Alright. Let's go ahead and do this. Alright, that's done. We do not have enough for that. Although it looks like we're kind of on this at the moment. And not too far, about 70,000 more. Alrighty. Well, next time on Holocure, we're going to give Stage 4 another shot with Mio. See you guys then.